Komatsu 951XC. The Komatsu 951XC is the largest harvester in Komatsu's forestry lineup, and it's built to handle the toughest jobs. Weighing about 23.2 tons, it may look massive, but it performs impressively even on soft ground and steep slopes. Its 8-wheel design helps distribute weight more evenly, reducing ground pressure, while the built-in cabin and crane leveling system ensures operators can work comfortably on uneven terrain. Power is another highlight. The 951XC boasts a pulling force of 242 kilonewtons, giving it serious strength for demanding forestry operations. Komatsu also focuses heavily on operator comfort. The cab is equipped with the Smart Forestry Precision Satellite System, accurate to just a few centimeters, making tree harvesting more efficient and precise. Inside, operators enjoy thoughtful details like a fridge, radio, and reading lamp, turning long shifts into a more comfortable experience. Strong, smart, and surprisingly user-friendly, the Komatsu 951XC proves that heavy-duty forestry equipment can combine raw power with cutting-edge technology. Giraffe 4-wheel drive. The Giraffe 4WD is a specialized machine designed for high-reach pruning, and its name comes from its giraffe-like ability to stretch upward. While a real giraffe reaches around 6 meters, this machine's fiberglass boom extends up to 23 meters, allowing it to trim branches with incredible precision. It's especially useful for clearing vegetation near power lines, where safety and accuracy are critical. The boom is fitted with a rotating saw blade that spins 180 degrees, giving the operator full control when trimming. Inside the cabin, a modern touchscreen display makes starting the engine as easy as pressing a button, while a password protection system prevents unauthorized use. For extra capability, buyers can add a 9-ton winch, making the Giraffe even more versatile. With a price tag of about $280,000, this machine is a serious investment, but for utility companies and forestry professionals, its efficiency, reach, and safety features make it worth every penny. TigerCat 6900 Grinder. The TigerCat 6900 Grinder is a true giant of the forestry and biomass industry. If it stood upright, it would be as tall as a 5-story building. Weighing 43 tons and powered by a massive 1,000 horsepower engine, this machine is built for one purpose: turning wood into usable material. It can grind logs, branches, sawmill waste, and more, making it essential for industries like biomass fuel production. Despite its size, the 6900 is surprisingly user-friendly. Operators can control it remotely, improving safety, and its service mode gives easy access to maintenance functions without starting the engine. This design not only improves efficiency but also extends the machine's lifespan. Of course, such capability comes at a price. The TigerCat 6900 costs around $930,000. For companies that need heavy-duty grinding on an industrial scale, this investment pays off with unmatched power, productivity, and reliability. It's not just a grinder, it's the backbone of large-scale wood processing. Lasco Tris Corp. The Lasco Tris Corp is a powerful 3-in-1 excavator attachment designed for professional firewood processing. Once mounted, it allows the operator to lift, split, and cut logs without ever leaving the cab, eliminating wasted time and unnecessary labor. Built for heavy-duty work, the Tris Corp can handle trunks up to 1.1 meters in diameter with ease. Its saw blade delivers a cutting speed of 20.5 meters per second, ensuring fast, precise cuts even on the toughest wood. By combining 3 essential functions into one versatile tool, it streamlines workflow, reduces costs, and increases productivity in forestry and firewood operations. Durable and highly efficient, it's designed to withstand demanding use in both industrial and commercial settings. For professionals in the firewood business, the Lasco Tris Corp is more than just an attachment. It's a game-changing investment that saves time, boosts efficiency, and makes processing large volumes of wood far more manageable. BLS-3H. The BLS-3H is a rugged, upgraded sawhorse built to make firewood cutting both safer and more efficient. With the ability to support up to 250 kilograms of logs at a time, it holds wood securely in place, allowing users to cut with ease and confidence. Its design can handle a stack height of 52 centimeters, reducing the need for constant lifting and repositioning. What really sets it apart is its clever frame structure, which ensures that the chainsaw blade only comes into contact with the wood, never the sawhorse. This helps protect the tool from unnecessary damage while keeping cutting clean and precise. At just $56, the BLS-3H offers serious value for anyone looking to improve their firewood preparation process. Affordable, durable, and built with safety in mind, it's the perfect helper for homeowners and small-scale firewood processors who want reliable performance without overspending. Dyna Firewood Tumbler. The Dyna Firewood Tumbler is designed to make your firewood cleaner and easier to handle. Working much like a washing machine, it uses a rotating drum that tumbles logs to shake off dirt, bark, and wood chips. This simple but effective process means you get cleaner, ready to burn firewood without the mess. Unlike many competitors, Dyna offers customers real flexibility. You can choose between a fuel-powered or electric model, depending on what works best for your setup. Another standout feature is its dual chute system, which sorts debris into two separate piles, making it easier to reuse wood chips or bark as mulch, kindling, or compost. For those who prefer to build their own setup, Dyna also sells the drum on its own, offering a customizable solution. Durable and efficient, this machine is a smart choice whether you're a homeowner stocking up for winter or a professional needing cleaner firewood fast. Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane is one of the most iconic heavy-lift helicopters ever built, engineered for the toughest aerial operations. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney turboshaft engines, each generating 4,500 horsepower, this giant can hoist up to 20,000 pounds of cargo with precision. Measuring 70 feet long, with a 72-foot rotor span and a height of nearly 19 feet, it delivers both size and strength in equal measure. The Skycrane reaches a top speed of 127 miles per hour, cruises comfortably at 121 miles per hour, and can climb at 1,330 feet per minute. First introduced in 1962 for the U.S. Army as the CH-54 Tarhe, it later found success in civilian roles. In 1992, Ericsson Incorporated acquired the rights and introduced major upgrades, including a 2,650-gallon firefighting tank that can refill in just 45 seconds via snorkel. Today, the S-64 is an essential tool for wildfire suppression, heavy construction, logging, and emergency response, proving its versatility across industries.